Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Tapswap to Phantom Wallet. So firstly you need to download this Phantom app from your Play Store or App Store. So just get this Phantom downloaded and then make sure you have an account or else create an account. Okay, so once that's done, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to your Telegram here. So open up your Telegram and then on Telegram search for Tapswap. So when you search for Tapswap, you'll get to this Tapswap bot here. So simply select that Tapswap bot, select that, and then what you're going to do, you're going to hit on start, and then this will take you to the Tapswap bot. So once you get here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this task option here, and under the task option you will see this connect to Solana option. Simply connect that because I am having the latest version latest blockchain which has been updated, so I have Binance instead of Solana. So you just select Solana on yours, select that, and then once that's done, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on start mission. So you'll see a start mission option here, so simply click on it and then hit on go, and that will take you to your Phantom wallet page here, where you need to connect your Phantom wallet and sign into your Phantom wallet here. And then all you have to do is just complete the prompts, and then that will connect your Tapswap to your Phantom wallet, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.